In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators to Google Calendar. If you manage your schedule through Google Calendar, sharing it with collaborators can be incredibly useful. Whether you're managing a team, coordinating with family members, or just trying to keep everyone on the same page, inviting others to view or edit your calendar ensures that everyone is up to date. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Calendar on your computer. This is best done in a web browser, and you can simply type Google Calendar into your search bar to get there quickly. Once you're in, take a glance at the left panel. This is where you'll find a list of your calendars. Under My Calendars, you'll see the calendar you want to share. Hover your mouse over the calendar's name, and you'll see 3 dots appear. Click on these dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This will open a new page where you can customize all sorts of settings related to your calendar. Here, you'll need to scroll down until you find a section labeled Share with Specific People. This area is specifically designed for sharing your calendar with others. In this section, you'll find an option that says Add People. By clicking on this, you'll get a prompt to enter the Gmail address of the person you wish to invite. Simply type in their email address. Take a moment here to ensure you've entered their address correctly before proceeding. After adding an email address, you'll notice you have the choice to set specific permissions for your collaborator. Google Calendar allows you to define how much access the other person will have. You can let them see only whether you're free or busy, see all event details, make changes to events, or even make changes and manage sharing. Choose the level of access that's most appropriate for your situation. Keep in mind that granting full access includes the ability for the collaborator to make changes and even share the calendar with others, so select wisely. Finally, after setting the appropriate permissions, click Send. This will send an email invitation to your chosen collaborator. They'll receive an email notification and can accept the invitation to gain access to your calendar according to the permissions you've set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully invited collaborators to your Google Calendar. This allows for smoother coordination and can make managing group activities or projects a breeze. Remember, you can always adjust permissions or revoke access by revisiting the Share with Specific People section if your sharing needs change in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes using Google Calendar a little easier for you and your team.